Hey you guys, today's gonna be a super dope video. Why do you ask? Because I'm gonna be opening that. Okay, and here we go. Ooh. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty exciting. Okay, moment of truth. What's going on? Why is this not? Okay. Wait a minute. Is that dirt? Is this lightly used? Not even lightly. What is going on? Wait a minute. Did One Wheel send me a lightly used One Wheel? Is this seriously happening right now? What even is this? I just don't even know how to feel right now. This is just very, very upsetting. Wait. There's a note on the packaging, and that looks like my handwriting. Dear Eli, I can explain. Check the video on your phone. Eli. What? Video? What video? There's no video on my phone. Okay, that's a little weird. There is a video on my phone that I did not make. Normal. What's up, Eli of the future? This is Eli of the past here to tell you that unboxing video that we swore we were gonna make, yeah, it's not happening, and I think you know why. Yeah, I got a little impatient. You know, because you're me. Oh, man. But look, it's not like your video would have been better than Peter McKinnon's. So I did you a favor. I opened this thing, took it out for a couple, maybe one or two, several test spins. It's not like we'd ridden one of these before, so what we're gonna do, B-roll of you learning how to balance and practicing. That would've been kind of embarrassing, because we fell a lot. I mean, yeah, we fell a lot. But look, at the end of the day, does it really have to be an unboxing? Maybe it's just a video of us riding into the sunset with not a worry, showing that having a One Wheel is a free experience. Okay, well maybe not free because they do cost money, but I think that's what the video should be. Yeah, once I'm done, I'm gonna box this back up for us to open in the video. You know, do what you can. I mean, it's not gonna be the perfect unboxing. There's quite a few scuffs on it now. So anyway, with all that said, this thing's pretty awesome. Sorry we didn't make an unboxing video though, so, you know. Again, B-roll of, you know, riding around, drone stuff. Definitely do drone stuff, that would be cool. Till next time, Eli, I'm you. See you in the next video. To me. Okay, well, me actually makes a very good point. Why I kind of suck at unboxings, because I get really impatient and I just want to open it without having to set up a bunch of cameras and lights and just go for it. So, yeah, point taken. But hey, got a One Wheel. Think it's time to let's get some shots. Yeah, let's just pretend like that didn't happen. Yeah, anyway. Okay guys, well I really hope you liked this video. It was a lot of fun to make. Kind of just a silly way to show that sometimes I suck on unboxings. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like it. Until next time, I'm Eli Wilbur. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, get the notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.